Alright, we're just getting started here with our buddy Greg.
Morning.
And we're gonna do some trenching for the power and water. Headed through this asphalt and up the hill over to his new building. And once we've got that done, we're gonna spread this dirt here in front of the door to make an easier transition. And got a couple other little spots up there to grade out to drain some water away from the building. So let's get started. All right, well, I'm gonna start backfilling a little bit. I gotta dig out a little bit more here to put a frost-free spigot. But we got PVC water line going in. Here's a direct bury cable going into a conduit he's got going into the building. Separated on each side of the trench here. As we come down here, we've got the cable going into a conduit there, and he pulled that through all the way under the asphalt to a 90 at the house where there's a junction box going to the meter. So I got all the dirt spread here up against the building. Graded out nice and smooth. Gave him a nice ramp up into the door there. Smooth this out a little bit, make it easier to mow. And then he had me clean out a section of ditch over there, and then also a little hole right here, and then create a trench along this way to tie in to go out that way. So that way any water coming over this hill here will go either that way towards the road or this way around towards this creek and not get on the driveway and head towards the house, because that house door is kind of low on this driveway. So this little swale here ought to fix that. We got a nice view up here of the lake, and did a little work around back there, and that'll be a wrap at this job.